guys and welcome to today's video. So I know मैं बहुत टाइम से वीडियो अपलोड या नहीं कर रही हूँ या फिर बना भी नहीं रही हूँ. एक्चुअली अक्टूबर मंथ की स्टार्टिंग से I've been kind of lazy and I know that's weird. I should have been productive more, but अक्टूबर की जो स्टार्टिंग में I had my exams and there have been a lot of things going around, medical emergencies as well. I'm gonna come back in the track real quick, okay? I'm just saying this because I wanted to give you guys a heads up. आज का वीडियो पे हम बात करने वाले हैं 5 budget friendly lip balms के बारे. Now if you don't know what a lip balm is, basically it is something that you apply on your lips ताकि आप अपने lips को hydrated रखो, moisturized रखो. And most of the times ऐसा होता है कि lips get dried or they have cuts and none of us want that, and that's basically that doesn't make us feel comfortable. तो इसलिए हम lip balms use करते हैं. Our lips tend to get cracked or cuts happens or it gets dried up and really becomes chappy, and उसका half reasons होता है because you don't drink water, because hydrating yourself is really important, and if you don't have enough water in a period of time तो वो बेसिकली आपके लिप्स पे शो करने लगता है. योर लिप्स टेंड टू गेट ड्राई एंड चैपी एंड दैट इज़ अ साइन दैट आपको और पानी पीना चाहिए. सो डेफिनेटली डू कीप दैट इन माइंड बिकॉज विंटर्स आ रहे हैं एंड हम बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि भूल जाएंगे पानी पीना एंड विल शो अप ऑन आवर लिप्स, विल गेट रियली ड्राई एंड चैपी. सो make sure to have enough water. Have to take care of our lips as well. They go through a lot as well, even if you don't notice that or even if you don't feel that. Balm is a necessity if you don't feel it, and it's okay to not just keep one and keep like 2 or 3 lip balms, because the more you have the better. I know आज का मेकअप थोड़ा बोल्ड है and आज मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम लाइनर किया है and आइज़ पे बहुत वाइब्रेंट कलर्स लगाए हैं, विच इज़ आफ्टर रियल लॉन्ग टाइम. आई गेस आई वॉज इन अ मूड बेसिकली फॉर दिस वन टुडे, सो I tried this look, and if you want me to do a video on this tutorial or anything, then do comment down below. I would love to do that for you guys. And now I have blabbered enough, and let's just get into the video and let's talk about lip balm. The first lip balm that I have here for you is from Blue Heaven. It's their lip balm, I guess, Blue Heaven lip balm in the variant bubblegum. Now इसमें 2 और वेरिएंट थे, आई गेस स्ट्रॉबेरी एंड मे बी शिया बटर. यू कुड पिक विच एवर यू वॉन्ट, एंड सारे के सारे में आई गेस देर इज़ नो कलर. मेरे वाले में तो नहीं है, जस्ट नॉर्मल it's very normal. It doesn't give you any color, and that's good. If anyone who doesn't like tint या color वाले तो वो basically use कर सकते हैं, इससे कोई color नहीं आता है. Now talking about Blue Heaven, this is basically a cosmetic brand जो आजकल lipsticks and foundations and concealers बहुत कुछ के साथ आ चुके हैं, and that's a great thing. मेरे पास और भी Blue Heaven के products हैं and none of them have made me feel कि it's not great or anything of that sort. So Blue Heaven is a okay brand, and this was for ₹72 I think. इसमें 80% natural ingredients से बना है, and along with that this has almond oil, shea butter, canola oil, hydrogenated castor oil, and vitamin E, which makes this product really great. Talking about shea butter, मैंने पहले भी बताया है कि it's rich in fatty acids, and it's such a great ingredient that it keeps your lips moisturized and seals the moisture inside, and keeps it from getting dry or chappy even in extreme weather conditions, and keeps it soft and supple. And almond oil is a great product because it has vitamin E, and वो बहुत help करता है to get rid of pigmentation, which is really great, and it also is highly emollient, जिसका मतलब है कि it able to balance the absorption of water and moisture loss. So it is really great for your skin. And one more thing, that is canola oil, that is also rich in fatty acids, and it keeps your lips moisturized for a really long time. So all of this adds up to the moisturization and hydration that your lips require in any weather you go through, and especially क्योंकि अब winter आ रहा है, lip balms are gonna just be so important. So make sure you purchase something that adds too much moisturization and hydration to your lips. The fragrance is not too strong, not too mild. It is not irritating as well, even if you have a sensitive nose. It's perfectly fine. हल्का सा वो बबल गम वाला फ्लेवर आता है जो मुझे नॉस्टैल्जिया फीलिंग देता है बचपन के साथ. and I feel it's perfectly fine. Smell won't bother you that much. ये overnight नहीं रहेगा. If you're in an AC room, this won't stay overnight on your lips. And daytime पे you have to reapply it like after 2 or 4 hours maybe. You have to reapply it. But इसका effectiveness उससे कम नहीं होता है. जब भी मैं first time लगाती हूँ तो I apply a good amount of layers so that it stays longer. Keep your lips intact with the moisture and avoid them getting dry or chappy in the extreme weather conditions. So yeah, if you're looking for something that doesn't give any tint and in budget, this is a good option. You can try this one out. The next lip balm that I have here is from Nivea. It's their Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm and this was for rupees 120. I guess ये मेरे को डिस्काउंट पे मिला था. इसका इनिशियल MRP शायद 175 है. Talking about Nivea, मैंने पहले बताया, it's a really good brand. एंड बिकॉज ये कस्मेटिक लाइन है जो मोस्टली मेन के प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए भी फोकस करता है, सो दैट मेक्स इट ग्रेट. एंड उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट काफ़ी इफेक्टिव है एंड हाई क्वालिटी के हैं, सो आई ट्रस्ट ऑन नीविया. एंड ये लिप बाम बेसिकली फ्रूटी स्मेल नहीं है, इसमें लाइक नॉर्मल स्मेल है दैट इज़ नॉट टू स्ट्रॉन्ग, नॉट टू मेल्ड यू, इट वोंट इरिटेट यू एज वेल. इट्स अ normal basic smell that is okay, and this is very light on the lips. It's not too heavy, and वही चीज़ है इसमें भी कि you know this can keep your lips hydrated for like 2-3 hours during the day. Then you have to again reapply it on your lips, and that doesn't mean कि इसका effectiveness जाता है. It is still effective, but again overnight this won't stay in an AC chilled room. It won't stay overnight. And you have to reapply it during daytime, but effectiveness is still good and it keeps your lips hydrated and moisturized and soft and supple, and will give you the moisture you require. I really like the smell of this and the texture and shine and the tint it gives on my lips. It is tinted, so if you don't like tinted then you would skip on this one, but if you like tint, this gives you very light tint and a little bit of shine, which I honestly love, so I really like this one here. The next lip balm that I have here is from Vaseline. It's their Vaseline Aloe Soothe Petroleum Jelly. Now Vaseline is an OG. We all have used it sometime or the other in our life, and I'm definitely sure about that one. And Vaseline के products भी काफ़ी highly effective हैं, and the products are really great. I've used a lot of them. And petroleum jelly, everyone knows about this one. I know मैं भी इसको बचपन में काफ़ी यूज़ करती थी before I got introduced to other chapsticks and lip balms, and yeah, this is a great product. And ये वाले में actually aloe vera है, so it's gonna keep your lips hydrated and smooth and give that calm and coolness to your lips. And petroleum jelly being that, you know, it's gonna create such a thick barrier on your lips that it will keep it moisturized for a really long time. This was for rupees 45, and इसमें बहुत सारे sizes आते हैं. इसकी बड़ी वाली डिब्बी भी आती है, so whichever you feel is your size and perfect for you, go ahead and purchase that one. Of course, this doesn't impart any smell, and yeah, this doesn't give any color as well, so that's great if you don't like color or tint. And petroleum jelly की बात करें, so it is you know, semi solid kind of jelly that is made up of mineral oils and waxes. And petroleum jelly actually, you know, seals the moisture inside. It creates a thick barrier which doesn't let your lips lose the moisture and hydration, and keeps it intact so that your lips are in the perfect condition. Feels very light on your skin, on your lips, and you can use it on your heels or on your hands, dry hands, not just on your lips, but it has multi purposes, multi uses, so that's really great about this one. It builds up a water protective layer which helps to, you know, heal and let your skin and lips revive really well. And fun fact and general knowledge fact here, that there was a person named Robert Augustus Chesbro, and in the year 1859 he actually discovered the Vaseline jelly. He saw oil workers using a gooey jelly on their skin when they had some cuts or wounds, and then he found out later petroleum jelly, and he then, you know, put it in containers and sold it like Vaseline petroleum jelly, which is a great thing because this is like a lifesaver to all of us. And of course one more use is that you could use it to remove your eye makeup जो बहुत waterproof होते हैं, that could also come out with Vaseline, and it also helps to save your split ends. जो बेसिकली हो जाते हैं सन के वजह से और यू नो विंड एंड ड्राई harsh wind की वजह से is overnight. It creates such a thick layer on your lips that it stays overnight and it's gonna keep the moisture locked inside. If you're looking for something, if you don't know about Vaseline, then definitely go check this out. Next one that I have here is from Wadi Herbal. It's the Lychee Lip Therapy. इसमें भी बहुत सारे other variants थे, blueberry, strawberry. But I went for the lychee one because I felt कि इसका smell अगर बहुत strong होगा then it would kind of irritate my nose, so that's why I went for the lychee one. This one has no color but I guess दूसरे वाले में color हो सकता है. This one gives no color here. This is transparent and this does have a little strong smell. I mean जब मैंने इसको first time खोला था the smell literally went into my nose and was like, oh, that's too much lychee. It does not smell too much of lychee, but this has a bit strong smell compared to other products that I showed you earlier. तो इसका थोड़ा smell है, तो you know if you are someone who's too much allergic to different kinds of smell, then of course skip on this one. But it's not too irritating. It does a strong smell. That's just what I want to tell you. So the brand says that it produces highly effective and high class products, and they have organic ingredients in them, organic and natural ingredients, and which adds to the effectiveness of the product and works well for the skin. And talking about this one, this has lychee. So basically lychee you know improves the circulation in the skin and adds glow to the skin, and though it doesn't have any color, it adds shine to your lips. Along with that, this has jojoba oil, which basically has vitamins like B and E, जो बहुत effective और beneficial होता है for keeping the skin and lips soft and supple and smooth, and also helps them to avoid dry or cracks on the lips. This has shea butter, and shea butter is a good healing agent. It really protects your lips, and almond oil, which helps to get rid of pigmentation and keeps the lips moisturized and hydrated for a longer period. It's travel friendly, and this was for just ₹36, so I feel it's really good. You can try this one out. Cute little bottle here and travel friendly as well, so do give it a try if you're someone who wants to try some new lip balms. And yeah, again, this one won't stay overnight. You have to reapply it again like I talked about other. It will stay work pretty well during daytime. It will like stay for 4 hours maybe, and it really keeps your lips hydrated. So if you want to try it out, then definitely give it a try. Now we are coming at the end of this video, and the last lip balm that I have for you is the Maybelline New York baby lips, and I have 2 of these here. These were together and I got this for ₹175. Also I got it for $175, which I guess is a great deal. This also has SPF 20, which I have not seen in most of the lip balms, so that makes it so effective and such a great product. And yeah, this one adds color and tint to your lips and a shine as well, but these two have different colors here. These two have different colors and different shine or tint to your lips, and both of them definitely have different fragrance as well. Not strong, not too fruity, perfectly well. Them are great, the effectiveness is great, and the brand claims that this can give you 8 to 16 hour moisturization, and I bow down to this one. This is my holy grail. This actually works for a longer period of time. I've never seen some lip balm working for so long, but this does work, and this actually stays for overnight even in an AC room. This will stay on your lips when you wake up in the morning. The little tint, the color, the shine, it will stay on your lips, and that makes it so great. It will definitely keep your lips moisturized and also protect it from the sun's rays, and save your lips from all the extreme weather, the harsh conditions, and from the UV rays, which makes it so perfect. Soft, supple, hydrated, giving it a little tint and shine. So altogether, this is a bomb.com product, and I think this is a all-rounder. You should definitely invest in this one, and I would suggest you, whenever you purchase something that is a bit out of your budget and you want it on discount, then definitely check out sale in websites. If you're trying to buy it online, then do check for sales, because that is the time जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा discount मिलता है. Who doesn't like products on discount, right? Perfect for the price and it does what it says. So this is a highly effective and great product. So definitely try this one out if you have the budget. So that's all the 5 lip balms that I have for you. All of them are budget friendly and under rupees 200 I think, and they are really good. All of them have their own benefits, so try whichever you want to try and get yourself one definitely, because the winter extreme weather is gonna come and our lips need the hydration, need the protection. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you want me to make more budget friendly videos, then do comment down below. I would love to do that. And if you want to see more of this face here, then do subscribe to my channel and give it a like and share it with your friends. Hope you are safe and sound at your home and enjoying this festivity at home. I know even I missed last year than this one basically, क्योंकि last year बहुत चीज़ें अलग थी और अभी चीज़ें बहुत अलग है, but it's for our safety and I just hope and pray कि this situation goes away really quick and everything comes back to normal. So yeah, keep yourself productive, stay safe, take care of yourselves and others, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for showering all the love and support in whichever ways you did on YouTube. It really means a lot to me. Take care. Bye.